Hi Kinder 2, good morning. Today I thought it'd be really fun if we made something together. So I've made this little video teaching you guys how to make Play-Doh. I thought it'd be really fun for us to do together, so I've given a list of ingredients to Mommy and Daddy, and now I'm going to show you exactly what we need to do to make it. Have fun! So here we are in the kitchen. We're going to make our Play-Doh. First you need some flour. Go ahead and tip that into the bowl. After you've added the flour, then we need to add the salt. Sprinkle the salt in there. Then we need to give it a nice stir. Here we go, give it a nice stir. Just drizzle it in there and give it another little stir. Now we need to add some water, and we just need to pour a little bit and then give it a stir. We need to add the water slowly, otherwise it's going to maybe be too sticky or whatever. So we need to add the water slowly and then stir. Going to add a little bit more. And we just need to keep adding little bits until it gets into Play-Doh. You can see now it's all starting to stick together. Now we need to add a little bit more water. Keep stirring. And you can see now it's getting very lumpy and sticky. We need to try and make sure we get all of the rest of the flour into the mix. And now it's sticky enough to use our hands. We can squish it in our hands to keep it mixing together. It's going to feel a little bit sticky, but when you keep mixing, it's going to be better. Make sure you get all of the flour and all the little bits into the dough. Keep mixing. Now the dough here is still a little bit sticky, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more flour, just a tiny sprinkle, to take away some of the stickiness, and mix that in. And it's starting to be some good Play-Doh. Make sure I got all the last bits. Still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to give it a sprinkle more of flour. Tiny, tiny bit. Mix that all together, and then I think we're going to be done. Here we have our Play-Doh. Perfect Play-Doh. You can make whatever you want with it. You can make a ball, you can squish it. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see all of your finished Play-Dohs and things that you can make with your Play-Doh. And we can even use it in class some days.